Let's review some recent headlines. Global tech giants bet big on India. Our reflex? They're coming to sell us more stuff. Phones, AI dashboards, and in genomics, more sequencers. But let's take a pause. The real bet may not be our wallets, but on our talent, brains, and diversity of problems. India is the new innovation hub, not just market. And the global tech knows it. Illumina, the global sequencing giant, says it wants to triple its India business in 5 to 7 years. Not by shipping more sequencers, but by building R&D labs, bioinformatic teams, and capability centers right here. Why? Because India has quietly become the innovation hub of the world. Not just cheaper hands, but sharper minds. And above all, unique problems. We are the third largest startup ecosystem. And let's not be hasty. This is not just about cost arbitrage. This is about knowledge arbitrage. Where else can you find the world's largest pool of genetic disorders, the unresolved rare disorders, unmatched biodiversity, and thousands of engineers and biologists who can handle petabytes of that data? This is where India is now looked at as the knowledge bench of the future, not just a marketplace. Nowhere is this more obvious than in genomics. Sequencers are great, but they don't tell a patient story. We do. Genome analysts in Delhi, Bangalore, Patna, Jaipur, elsewhere, trained to connect a fast queue, the raw file of our human blueprint, to a real human life story. That's where the future is. Now let's talk about awareness, not just paranoia. Of course, with great data comes great responsibility. We have to be aware and responsible about data sovereignty, security, and ownership. This is our genomic heritage, our families, our communities. This must be protected, anonymized, and used with informed consent, not sold like a commodity. We shouldn't be pushed into being just consumer in someone else's pipeline. We should be participant, in fact, leaders in our genome-led enterprise and economy, where the insights from Indian genome fuel healthcare, our agriculture, and sustainability, and yes, our startup. However, the risk of complacency cannot be undermined. We settle again for being back office of the world. And the world says, thank you, India, run our trials, clean our data, ship our results, and we clap politely. But this time, the hot seat is up for grabs. Who interprets Indian genomes? Who build AI tuned to Indian diets, our disease, our diabetes? If not us, then who? With sovereignty, safety, and responsible sharing without stifling innovation. And here's where we can be optimistic. We don't need paranoia or finger pointing. Technology is not the enemy. Participation is the key. If we design policies, indigenous platforms that are frugal, sovereign, inclusive, and we can work with global players, not beneath them. But the story isn't India as a consumer of global tech. It's India as co-author of global genomics. So maybe when we read about global tech giants betting on India, let's not think of it as another mall opening. Rather, think of it as world offering us a script. Do we want to sit in the audience, or do we want to play the lead role in the play? This time, the seat has to be ours. And in genomics, it has to be secure, sovereign, and very much waiting for us to earn and claim it. If you have been, thank you very much. Until next time, take care.